Hey, what's going on, guys? I go by the name of Doubtfire, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove duplicates in Google Sheets using their built-in tool. It only takes a few clicks, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to clean up your spreadsheet without deleting any wrong information. Let's jump right in. Obviously, you want to have a Google spreadsheet open. In my example, I do have students and their scores, whether they pass and fail. And the Remove Duplicates tool works best when your data is organized into columns with headers. Now you want to go ahead and select the data that you do want to check. So I have all this data right here, and you want to make sure you include every column that does belong together. Once again, this will just prevent Google Sheets from removing information incorrectly. Now we want to go ahead and remove the duplicates by going into data and then drop down to data cleanup and then click on remove duplicates. If you do have header rows, then you want to go ahead and click on that data has a header row. So since we have that right there, it will also fill out the different column names right here. I know I have a few duplicates that I did put in here on purpose. We have Emma and Jack. We have Emma a few times. So when I go ahead and click remove duplicates, it's going to get rid of all those Emmas and Jacks, and it will show that 4 duplicate rows were found and removed, and that we do have 11 unique rows. We are going to go ahead and hit OK. And that's how you remove duplicates in Google Sheets. If this tutorial helps you out, please drop a like and consider subscribing if you're new. Have a good one.